Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. This vlog has been sponsored by, or not even sponsored by, but I'm just trying to get some word out there. America versus the World, Capitol Raceway, April 14th. Sign up fast, man. Tickets are going fast. So if you're wanting to race, either whatever you have, an American vehicle or an import vehicle, get your tickets ready, baby, because this is going to be a good time for sure. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot of racing, a lot of crap talking, and just all around, it's going to be a great day. Kids are free. There's going to be kid stuff to do. And there's, like I said, racing upon racing. All right, folks, let's get to the meat of this video, and it's Greensboro CDJR and their response to North Carolina Consumer Protection Division. Sorry, my face got a little bright there. My monitor's making my face bright. But their response is ridiculous. I mean, look, let's go over the case real quick. Here's the facts. One, the person that supposedly signed these documents was in California when they were signed, and you're in North Carolina. Not sure how that happens. I mean, Fantastic Four, that dude can't even stretch that far. So not sure how you're defending yourself. Well, you're not even defending yourself. You're not even answering the complaint at all. You're not even addressing the complaint in your response. And we'll get to the response in a minute. But back to the case. The person was in California. You're in freaking North Carolina. Not sure how that happens. Second fact. You misspelled the person's name. How many people misspell their own name on a contract they're spending tens of thousands of dollars on? And not only did you spell their name wrong, printed, you signed it wrong as well. Fact number 3. Not sure how that happens. Oh, and the last fact is you had a notary public notarize that document. So an officer of the court signed that document stating that person signed that document. And oh, by the way, that notary's disappeared. Obviously, no one can find him. So interesting facts. Stating facts. So there's what has gone on so far in this, we'll say, this case. Consumer Protection Division from North Carolina reached out to Greensboro CDJR 3 times. They ignored them twice, came back on the 3rd time, and I'll put their response right up here over my sponsors. So here's their response. Greensboro CDJR is in receipt of the above reference complaint. Please accept this email as Greensboro CDJR's response thereto. Per our conversations with your office, so they must have reached out, Greensboro CDJR has comprehensively investigated all aspects of this matter and denies all of the accusations in the complaint, including but not limited to the fraud allegations. Greensboro CDJR will be closing our file on this matter and respectfully request the Consumer Protection Division close its file as well. Regards, Greensboro CDJR Management. Now, they did not address any of the facts that we just went over. They just glossed over the entire case and said, yep, we're not liable. We didn't do it. We're denying any allegations or accusations that we did anything illegal, and we're closing the case. Not stating anything about the case and what they're. It's a ridiculous response, and this is just me speaking. I think they're just doing it because they don't think it's going to go any further once they say they closed their case. Well, I beg to differ. I think, I know TK's Garage has done it. Butter the Insider, OC Motivator. Those three are dogs with a bone, and I'm starting to chew on the bone with them to try and get some of these words out there to people that Hey, the more people, YouTubers, social media people put out reviews on Greensboro Dodge, whenever you do a Google search, guess what's gonna pop up? YouTube videos, bad reviews, what have you. So I'm with TK. I am surprised sort of surprised that the local news media hasn't done anything to bring this to light in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's kind of befuddles me, but as TK says, they probably dump a lot of money into advertising into all of those TV stations. So those news stations, TV stations, are probably apprehensive to do any negative news articles on the dealership. Hate to say that it boils down to money, but it boils down to money. And TK said it 100%. Us third-rate, no good YouTubers, you're not paying us a cent. You can't buy us either. So I wouldn't even think about trying to do that, because that's just going to make your situation worse. But yeah, you're not going to buy us. You're not going to get out of this until we find some kind of resolution to at least those 4 facts. The dude was in California. You misspelled his name twice. You printed it and you signed it. And what happened to the notary public that signed that document? Where is he or she at? And where are they in all this matter? Right? So they're looking down the barrel of the gun too. Not only are you looking down the barrel of the gun, so is that notary public, because he's an assigned officer of the court. Bah, he or she. Ooh, man, these dealerships are getting way out of hand, and just and this response is just another feather in the quiver that they don't care. They don't care about their customers. They don't care what happens after the fact. It's just getting so bad out there. And I'm with TK Butter and OC Motivator. If you weren't doing bad stuff, we wouldn't be doing these videos. This stuff would not be happening. But you continue to do these illegal and nefarious things. People are going to put reviews on Google. One of us YouTubers is going to find them. One of them is going to make a video, and the others are just going to jump on the bandwagon, and it's just going to keep coming, and it's not going to stop. So if you're looking at buying something in North Carolina and Greensboro, and you're wanting to buy a CDJR product, I would go to a totally different dealership. I would not mess with these people. They are just doing bad, illegal stuff. So you're more likely to get taken advantage of by going to this dealership than somewhere else in North Carolina. And, oh, by the way, look at caredge.com. They can find you a vehicle across America and wind up saving you money. So there are great deals on cars out there. TK just did one on a dealership out there, Towson, or can't remember the name. Tobin CDJR, out there where he's at. They have great deals on vehicles. All you have to worry about is either going to pick it up or shipping it, whatever the case, right? It's not hard to buy a car out of state and get it registered and taxes and all that stuff into your state. In some places, taxes are transferable, or you get a tax credit. Just do some research. It's not that hard to buy a vehicle out of state. So if your only choice is this Greensboro CDJR, go out of state if you have to. I would not mess with these folks at all. I'm going to keep jumping on the bandwagon. My videos, they only reach a couple hundred people. They only get a couple hundred views, but I'm going to keep jumping on the bandwagon, keep jumping up and down, and hopefully we can. They've already inflicted change, those 3. and some of the other YouTubes out there, we have already inflicted change in some dealerships. Tobin, right? They were on the list. They are no longer on the list. Go see TK Garage's video on their pricing scheme. So they got some good deals on Dodge vehicles. Just buyer beware, be aware. Instead of beware, be aware of the shady dealings that are out there. And there's plenty of people making videos to help you stay out of those situations. So check them out and don't get taken advantage of. That's going to do it for this, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.